This has to be the simplest sesame seeds bar recipe. Unlike the other variant I shared last week, this uses only 2 ingredients: sesame seeds and sugar. The only difference between this one and the other one is peanuts. So take out peanuts from the first recipe and this is what you'll have. It follows the exact same process as the first one. Just fry clean sesame seeds on low heat for about 5 minutes and set aside. I used 1 cup. Then melt 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar completely. Afterwards, add the sesame seeds and combine. Now immediately transfer these onto a board, flatten and cut into your desired shape. Remember to oil the board so the mixture doesn't stick to it. You will need to do this as quickly as you can before the mixture cools, because once it cools, it will harden and become difficult to work with. After cutting, allow it to cool completely before storing. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day.